Welcome to qnawire.
Okay guys, this is chapter 24, problem 2. In this question, we're given that we're on the planet Vegopia. And in 2016, people bought 100 cauliflower for $200, 50 broccoli for $75, and 500 carrots for $50. Then in 2017, people bought 75 cauliflower for $225, 80 broccoli for $120, and 500 carrots for $100. The first question is asking us, what is the per unit price of these vegetables each year? So the per unit price is very easy to calculate. It's just the price you paid in total divided by the number of units total. So let's start with 2016. And so for cauliflower, we spent $200 on cauliflower, and we bought 100 of them, so the per unit price is $2. Then for broccoli, we bought 50 of them. Sorry, we spent $75 total. We bought 50 of them. And so the price is $1.50 per broccoli. And for carrots, we spent $50 on carrots and we bought 500 carrots. And so the price is 10 cents per carrot. Right, so for 2017, cauliflower, we spent $225 on cauliflower, buying 75, which is $3 per cauliflower. For broccoli, we bought 80 broccoli for $120, which is again $1.50 per broccoli. And for carrots, we again bought 500 carrots, and this time we spent $100, which means the cost of carrots in 2017 is 20 cents. For the second question, is asking what is the consumer price index, the CPI for each year. The CPI for the base year, you can see where to calculate the CPI is on page 447 of the textbook. And basically the formula is CPI equals the basket of goods in the current year over the basket of goods in the base year. So the CPI for the base year, which in this case is going to be 2016, is always going to equal 100. But we'll calculate it out just to illustrate that. So the CPI for 2016 is going to be, right, the basket of goods in the current year. The basket of goods is just going to be the cauliflower, the broccoli, and the carrots, and we're going to say it's 1 unit of each. So from part 1, we see that cauliflower is $2, broccoli is $1.50, and carrots are 10 cents in 2016. So that's going to equal $3.60 divided by the base year, which again is going to be 2016 times 100, and that's just 1 times 100 equals 100. For 2017, it's a little bit more complicated, but again, it's just going to be 1 unit of cauliflower, 1 unit of broccoli, and 1 unit of carrots is going to be our basket of goods. With the increase in price for 2017, those three are going to equal $4.70 divided by 360 times 100 is going to equal $1.30. The last question then asks us, what is the rate of inflation? And the rate of inflation we can find on page 498 of the textbook. And the formula is inflation equals CPI in year 2 minus CPI year 1 over CPI year 1 times 100. And so plugging in the information from the previous part, part B, we get 130 minus 100 divided by 100 times 100, which is just 130 minus 100. And so inflation was 30%. So this was chapter 24, problem 2.